Okay, we did her feet. Now we're going to do mine. So I got to get them inside there, just like that. I'm going to pull it back a little bit. And you can see this is blinking, so I got to hit that to turn it on. Now I'm on. I'm going to go heat, all right? And I think I'm also just going to, I'm going all the way. I'm not even fooling around. I'm going straight to high and everything because I like the pain. All right, now let's get in it. Oh, yeah, that feels good. That is like Shiatsu on the bottom of my, oh my God, that's smushing. Oh, that's tight. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Oh, it's like right on the bottom of my foot. It's just smushing like little round. I would say it's like standing on marbles. It's like rolling marbles on the bottom of your foot really hard while your leg is being squeezed. Your ankle and your toes and your feet are being squeezed. Yeah, it feels good. So this is my settings. I went all the way. I didn't fool around. I went kneading high, air high, and vibration high, and heat. Oh God, oh man, that's really working the bottom of my foot. Now it just released. You heard that sound? That psst, that was releasing in there. But the bottom is still going right into it. It's like hard marbles pushing up into the bottom of your foot. Feels good. Check out my knees. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.